morning. Today we are going to see the ultimate analysis. Ultimate analysis, it involves the determination of oxygen present in the coal sample. For that, we have to determine carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, sulfur, ash content, and we get the percentage of oxygen. Now here we see the carbon and hydrogen. Take 1 to 2 gram of coal sample in a crucible. Burn in current of oxygen in the combustion apparatus. After that, we see that after burning the coal sample in the combustion apparatus, the carbon and the hydrogen, they both get converted. That is, carbon get converted into carbon dioxide and hydrogen in H2O. Now, these carbon dioxide and H2O, it is being absorbed in the two different tubes. The carbon dioxide is absorbed in KOH tubes, whereas H2O is absorbed in calcium chloride tube. After they are absorbed, the weight is taken. We see the reaction, that is carbon plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide. Hydrogen plus oxygen gives H2O. The KOH tube in which carbon dioxide is absorbed and we get K2CO3 plus H2O. Calcium chloride tube in which H2O is absorbed, giving calcium chloride with 7 water molecules. Hence, the percentage of carbon will be increase in the weight of potassium hydroxide tube into 12, that is for carbon, into 100 upon weight of the coal sample taken into 44, that is for carbon dioxide, whereas percentage of hydrogen is equals to increase in the weight of calcium chloride tube into 2, that is for hydrogen, into 100 upon weight of the coal sample taken into 18. 18 is for water. In this way, we are able to calculate the percentage of the carbon and hydrogen. The next we see is the nitrogen. In that, we have to weigh 1 gram of the coal powder. This coal powder is then heated in a long neck flask with H2SO4. Then we add a catalyst, that is potassium sulfate. After adding potassium sulfate, the solution becomes clear. Then it is treated with excess of potassium hydroxide solution. So when it is treated with potassium hydroxide solution, the ammonia is liberated and it is absorbed in the acid solution. When it is absorbed in an acid solution, we then titrate it with the sodium hydroxide solution. That is called as the back titration. By this titration, we are able to know the volume of the acid which is being used by the liberated ammonia. So we are able to calculate the percentage of nitrogen, that is the volume of the acid used, which we can determine after the back titration, into the normality, that which is being changed into 14 upon weight of the coal taken. In this way, nitrogen is being calculated. Now this 14 we have taken is for nitrogen. The sulfur, it is determined from the washings of bomb calorimeter. The bomb calorimeter, it is used for the determination of calorific value. Now in this determination, the sulfur is converted into sulfur. So for determination of sulfur, it is being converted into sulfate. How we are going to convert? The washings are treated with barium chloride solution. So whatever the washings we are getting from this bomb calorimeter, it is treated with the barium chloride solution, by which barium sulfate is being precipitate. The precipitate which we obtain, it is filtered, washed, and then it is heated. Now this filtration, washing, and heating is done. We are going to repeat it till we get the constant reading. So the percentage of sulfur will be what? It is the weight of barium sulfate obtained into 32, that is for sulfur, into 100 upon weight of the coal sample taken in the bomb, which we have taken here, into 233, which is for barium sulfate. In this way, we are able to calculate the sulfur present in the coal sample. Now, the next is the ash. For that, take the coal in a crucible, then that keep the crucible in the furnace without lid, means it is uncovered. The temperature there is 700 plus minus 50 degrees Celsius. We are going to keep the crucible for half hour, that is for 30 minutes. Cool it in a desiccator, and then we are going to take its weight. Now this heating, cooling, and weighing is repeated till we get the constant reading. The percentage of ash content will be the weight of the ash left upon weight of the coal sample taken into 100. So this is all about the percentage of the ash content. Now oxygen. The percentage of oxygen will be what? It is 100 minus percentage of the carbon plus hydrogen, nitrogen, and sulfur and the ash. So all these are being added and it is being subtracted. So 100 is being subtracted from all this thing to get the percentage of the oxygen. Thank you.